According to the National Geographic Society, a rainforest is an area of tall, mostly evergreen trees and high amount of rainfall. Secondly, biodiversity. Biodiversity is a term that describes the variety and richness of all living things and their interactions at different scales and levels. It includes species, genetic, and ecosystem diversity, as well as microorganisms, plants, animals, and humans. And lastly, sustainable development. Sustainable development is an organizing principle that aims to meet human development goals, while also enabling natural systems to provide necessary natural resources and ecosystem services to humans. Here are some pictures showing rainforests, biodiversity, and sustainable development. This is to show you a clearer picture of each definition.
My name is Rose Priscino, and I will be doing question 2, which reads, describe to what extent and the types of forests in Guyana. Guyana's total size is 215,000 km, and its coastline is around 434 km long. Approximately 85% of its total land area is covered by forests, which is 18.5 million hectares. Guyana forest is classified as swamp and mangrove forest on the coast and rainforest, seasonal forest, dry evergreen, and montane forest in the interior. All are part of the wider Guyana Shield ecosystem region, in which the rainforest covers 36% and is known as the Ikorama Forest, which is bordered to the west by the Kakarima Mountain and to the east. It is found in the central of Guyana. Mountain forest is made up of 35% in the forest unit in Guyana that is associated with high rainfall tolerance species. In the southern region, the Kanuku Mountain and the Upper Mazruni Valley. The mountain forest here is made up of 35% and is the forest unit in Guyana that is associated with high rainfall tolerant species. They occur mainly in the southern regions, the Kanuku Mountain and the Upper Mazruni Valley. Swamp and marsh is 15% and is a wetland. By herbaceous plants as grasses, rushes or sage, small shrubs often grow along the perimeter as a transition to drier land. The Walaba or seasonal forest or evergreen is 7% widely distributed near the coast and the interior and operate on excessively dry white sand. Then we have the seasonal forest, which is 6%, also known as moist, deciduous, semi-evergreen seasonal tropical mix. And finally, we have the mangrove forest. The mangrove forest saddles the connection between land and sea and nature and human. They are a critical source of community and are home to a vast number of species. What mangrove does, it protects the coastline from waves, erosion, and storm surge. Thank you. Example, gold, diamond. Number 3, food, such as worms, wild meat, and there are many more. Number 4, medicine. Example of medicine that we can obtain from our rainforest is the compound palm. Number 5, bauxite. Number 6, shelter. Example, trumpa. And finally, the most important product from our rainforest is oxygen. Thank you.
My name is Annalise Perta, and I stand before you to implore that you conserve and maintain the rainforest of Guyana. We must conserve and maintain the rainforest of Guyana for a number of reasons. First, let me tell you what is a rainforest. Listen, a rainforest is an area of tall, mostly evergreen trees and a high amount of rainfall. It is of much importance that the rainforests of Guyana are maintained and conserved. Rainforests produce 40%, yes, 40% of Earth's oxygen. They capture, store, and recycle rain, which prevents flooding, droughts, and soil erosion. The virgin rainforest of Guyana covers most of the country's geography. Guyana's rainforests are a combination of natural history, majestic scenery, and diverse communities. Thanks to the standing rainforest that encompasses over 80% of its surface and observed carbon emissions, Guyana makes a great contribution to climate change mitigation. Now I will have you know some benefits of the rainforest of Guyana. First, let us begin with the fact that they provide habitat for approximately 50% of the world's plants and animals found on the land. Secondly, they take in carbon dioxide and gives off oxygen. Thirdly, they help to maintain global weather patterns and rainfall. Fourth, they supply food, medicines, and other plant-based products which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Yes, they cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Last but not least, I must let you know that the rainforests of Guyana are the ancestral homes to its indigenous people. Now that you have known all of these things, you know what is a rainforest and you know the benefits of the rainforest, of Guyana's rainforest. I implore that you must, yes you must, conserve and maintain the rainforest.